Welcome to Talk Flow English, where you learn English through real, clear, and dynamic conversations.
Let's break it down. Because once you get how get works, your English will start to flow naturally. First, get, receive. I got a gift. Did you get my message?
Okay, so here it just means receive or obtain, right?
Exactly, simple but powerful. Second, get, become. It's getting cold. He got angry. She's getting tired.
Oh, wow. So now it's not about receiving something, but changing state.
Yep. And this one's super common in conversation. We use get instead of become almost every time. Third, get, understand. Do you get it? I don't get why he said that. Oh, now I get it.
Classic. I've heard that in so many movies.
And here's another one. Fourth, get, arrive. What time did you get home? We got to the party late. You see how this one word adapts like magic?
It's like flexible English. The word is doing all the work.
Exactly. And when you start noticing it, you'll hear it everywhere. Let's make it real with this short story again. Yesterday, I got up at 6 a.m., got ready for work, got on the bus, got hungry, got a sandwich, got back to the office, and got so tired I couldn't wait to get home.
That's 8 different uses of get in one small paragraph.
Yep, that's English in the real world. And now we level up. Let's move into the next stage, phrasal verbs with get. These are short expressions where get changes completely when combined with a second word. Let me show you a few. Get along, have a good relationship. Get over, recover from something. Get by, survive or manage. Get into, become interested in or enter something. Get out, you leave. Get away, you escape.
So get really is like a blank canvas. You just change the second word and you get a new meaning.
Totally. And this is why get is your secret weapon. Let's play a quick game. I'll say the sentence. You pause and try to guess what get means. Then we'll break it down together. Ready? He got sick after the trip.
Man, this is making so much more sense now. It's like playing with blocks. You learn how each part fits.
Yes. And remember, don't memorize. Notice patterns. Now, I want you to try using get in your own life. Here's an example. I got up early today, but then I got distracted by my phone. I got ready late, got in a taxi, but we got stuck in traffic, so I got to work late and got in trouble.
Oof, that sounds like Monday morning.
Exactly. Everyday English equals everyday get. Now let's make it useful for you, the listener. Here are 3 tips to improve your English with get.
1. Listen for it in TV shows, podcasts, movies, pause and ask, what does get mean here? 2. Repeat full sentences out loud. Practice them in your voice. 3. Create your own get diary. Every day, write 2 to 3 sentences using get in different ways.
Like, today I got good news, then I got excited, then I got coffee. Perfect!
And now, let's hit you with the mini challenge of this episode.
Say it out loud or write in the comments, today I got blank, and I felt blank.
Examples: I got a message and I felt surprised. I got home early and I felt relaxed. I got lost and I felt nervous.
It's easy to practice if you use it in real life. Exactly, that's the only way your English gets better.
Let's end with a mindset shift. If you want to improve your English, stop thinking of it as a subject. Think of it as a skill, like learning guitar or painting or dancing.
And like any skill, you don't need to memorize 100 rules. You just need to use it.
And get is one of the best words to start with. Why? Because it's used everywhere in real conversations. It has natural rhythm when speaking. It connects to feelings, actions, and experiences. It's like glue. It holds sentences together and makes them sound human.
Yes, and here's a fun fact. In spoken English, get is used more often than have, go, or even do in informal conversations. It's the MVP of verbs.
And most learners ignore it or only learn one version.
That's why we're here. So here's your final assignment. Write or say 5 sentences using get with different meanings. Try this format. I got think, then I got think, and finally I got think.
Example: I got up early, got ready for class, got stuck in traffic, got frustrated, and finally got there just in time.
Amazing! And remember, don't try to master it in one day. Just get comfortable using get, because the more you say it, the more fluent you'll become.
So if you're ready to sound more natural,
And use English like a native speaker,
then get listening, get speaking, and get confident.
Thanks for joining us today on Talk Slow English.
We'll see you in the next episode. And remember,
Don't just study English, live it.